Schizophrenia is the most serious disorder we have in psychiatry. It's much more than hallucination. It's an illness where the person's main problem is being psychotic. With psychosis, you're not able to tell what's real and what's not real. Did you know the prevalence of people aged over 15 years who experience mental disorder is 9.8%, with the number of schizophrenia cases reaching 7 per million? Imagine the schizophrenia patients are given long-term antipsychotic therapy to prevent the risk of relapse, but some population groups respond uniquely to antipsychotic, and everyone's risk of side effects varies greatly. The high prevalence of the disease, the difference in the drug response, and the long duration of treatment make it very possible to find the occurrence of drug-related problems in a treatment process. The RP in schizophrenia patients correlate with prolonged adverse drug reaction, increased economic burden, and almost two-fold increased risk of death. Clinical pharmacists are responsible for identifying and treating the RP to help patients achieve treatment goals. Unfortunately, even in some developed countries, the responsibility of clinical pharmacy in mental health-related drug issues are underutilized. Therefore, in this study, we will examine the relationship between the occurrence of drug-related problem and clinical outcome in schizophrenia patients. A total of 134 patients took part in the study, 74 people in the DRP group and 60 people in the non-DRP group. I have interviewed them and taken data from electronic medical records. The DRP studies are actual and potential and documented according to the PCNE classification. The clinical practice guideline of schizophrenia intended as guidelines that can assist in drug selection. Drug interaction facts are used to identify drug interaction. Compliance is measured using the MARS test. The DRP assessment was carried out by researchers and clinical pharmacists. The most common DRP experience was drug selection, patient adherence, dose selection, and adverse drug reaction. In this study, clinical outcome assessment is based on information collected from electronic medical record. Based on the result of statistical analysis, it can be concluded that there is a relationship between the incidence of DRP and clinical outcome in schizophrenia patients. Patients in the DRP group had twofold the risk of not improving compared to the non-DRP group. DRP has become a major challenge for a healthcare system due to its clinical and economic impact. This shows the need for clinical pharmacy to identify, prevent, and treat DRP events because they can affect the achievement of therapeutic targets. The involvement of clinical pharmacists in detecting and overcoming DRP has a positive impact and suggests the need for clinical pharmacists to improve the quality of patient care services. Thanks for watching.